Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're looking at the SMRTLite by NBG Home, and as you can see you can change the color from cool white to warm white. It is dimmable, you can control by voice, you can schedule it, and you can use it with your application on your smartphone. The LEDs are integrated and the finish is in chrome. You can control it with the assistance of your choice. So let's take a look. Once we open it, we have instructions and some hardware. And if you do have problems installing it, just give them a call. The instructions are fairly easy. It gives you the list of the tools that you'll need, how to install it, and you can adjust the height of the pendant or chandelier. And it also comes in Spanish. It is very nice and slim, very light. The shade is acrylic and the rest of it is probably plastic. Here is the top. And the cables are adjustable. If you want to make it shorter, just push it in. If you want to make it longer, just push this with one finger and pull the wire out. Once you have it installed, all you have to do is turn it on. Like other Wi-Fi devices, you have to pair them with your phone. You will need your Wi-Fi password. It is 8.5 inches wide, about 31 inches long, 3/4 of an inch in height. And the setup with the application was fairly easy. And here are some pictures from warm to cool to a medium between warm and cool color. So you can play around with it, you can dim it, or you can make it brighter. It's really up to you. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.